Web Presence Evaluation by Laney White. I evaluated the North Elementary School Library website. From a stakeholder's point of view, the About Our Library program page was the most informative and pertinent. It provides the fact that the library was named the National School Library Media Program of the Year and the Blue Ribbon for exemplary media programs in the state of Indiana. This page also states the library's mission and the fact that it is an open access media center. This page also informs patrons of the checkout policies and the procedure for database access. The page also gives a brief description of how collaborative instruction ensures the success of the students. Patrons will also find information on special programs and volunteering information. Finally, it provides contact information for the library. This website lacks resource pages for the different patrons of the library. This would allow the patrons a source to find information that they would probably not have the time to locate otherwise. Providing resources that each set of patrons could utilize would offer an unimaginable opportunity for all accessing the library and its services. The website does not provide much information on the leaders of the library. There is a small blurb about the media specialist and her life. The only information pertaining to the assistant is her name, title, and contact information located on the welcome page. If the media specialist wears many hats, so to speak, then this should be addressed somewhere on the site. This information, along with the duties and responsibilities of each role, should be presented on the website. This information would allow patrons to know exactly what is available to them and who they would talk to for any help they might need. The strength of this site is most definitely the information found on the About Our Library program page. However, the Welcome page provides access to different databases and catalogs for its patrons. Another great resource is the District Bookmarks page. This area provides all spectrums of the patrons using the site invaluable tools to access for their enjoyment, learning, and school business. Patrons are able to access any of the provided links right from the page. However, I believe I would divide the bookmarks up into categories so that the intended user would be able to see those that apply for them easier and quicker. This website needs development with some pages not having any information on them. The Resources Calendars page and the North News page are both blank when you click on them. The page should be updated frequently. All pages that are linked should have some information on them. This is definitely a place for development on the website. In the evaluation of this website, I was surprised at the lack of some information that I felt should have been included in the pages. The website should have more information on the books available in the library, especially showcasing new books and/or authors. I would also provide resource pages for each of the patron categories, such as teachers, parents, administration, community, and students.